Hello, everyone. My name is Barb Barone. I'm with River City Yarns, and I'm here today with Sarah Schira from Imagined Landscapes.
Hello.
Hi, Sarah. I'm here today with Gnome.
What a magnificent gnome. I'm here with Naomi, Niblet, and Noah.
Wow, those are amazing. Sarah, I wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much for bringing all this joy. We've got you coming to our shop to teach a workshop, I'm understanding, called No Fun Like Gnome Fun. Can you tell us a little bit about this?
I can. These are the gnomes from that pattern. Every one of my patterns about gnomes is a pun, because why resist? It's just too much fun. So No Fun Like Gnome Fun came about for two reasons. People kept writing me and asking, I like your gnome pattern, but I want a teeny tiny gnome. And then I also thought, well, I also want gnomes that are easy to teach people the basics. So I invented these gnomes as a way to be tiny and as a way to be teachable. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Now you may be thinking, well, yeah, these are pretty small, but honestly, these aren't small. These are the worsted weight versions. So they're fast to knit. If you knit the same gnome, here, let me put this down. If you knit Noah in fingering weight, he is a tiny, tiny gnome, and Niblet gets even smaller. I have earrings made out of fingering weight for Niblet. Niblet is a magnificent pair of earrings. And so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be demystifying a lot of toy knitting. Like, where do you put the ends? When there's no wrong side, where does that go? And how do you stuff it so it's not lumpy? And how do you stuff it so it stays upright and doesn't just want to tip over? And should you stuff it if you're giving it to a kid? Or is it actually a weapon? Yes, it is a weapon. Be careful. We'll talk about that. So with No Fun Like Gnome Fun, the whole pattern was sort of simplified. It is absolutely my simplest pattern. And we even in the class, we go through it in a different order than I've written the pattern for, so that I'm in complete control of your life, but also so that I am stepping you through so that we knit this in the order that teaches you the skills that kind of make it so that, well, you're like, oh, I'm only just practicing this little bit and that part's easy. So then we take that and we add to it and you're like, well, I can already do this. So now we're adding this one little step. But honestly, this gnome can be knit in 3 hours by the average knitter. And even if you can't get all the way through it, I will be demonstrating every single step of this so that you leave here with the knowledge you need to, like, well, I didn't get the beard sewn on. Well, it's okay. We've got this.
Sarah, that's fantastic. I'm so excited. We're all so excited. We've got so many people signed up already. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You are welcome. I can't wait to meet everybody and see the Noahs that you pop into life.
Fantastic.